Welcome to your new algebra lesson. We have been working on reducing terms with the square of a binomial. Today we will continue to reduce terms and learn about the squaring of a trinomial. So let's begin with our lesson. Okay friends, so I have the square of 100 and I'm going to make a binomial first. So I am going to make the combination of 5 horizontally first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And put a rubber band right here. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. So the binomial just completed divides the 100 square into two parts along each side. So 1, 2 on this side, 1, 2 on this side. Now we wish to divide the 100 square into three parts along each side. So let's see how many squares do we come up with. So we already have, let's work on this side first, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to make one more. 1, 2, 3. Combination of 3. And sorry, my rubber bands are kind of big. Okay, so what I did on this side, I do the same thing on this side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I count 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's see how many squares did we make. Actually, they're not all squares, some are rectangles, but how many parts actually did we make? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So actually we divided it to 9 areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let's see how we can write these combinations on our paper. I am going to make these area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this square on my paper first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am going to work on my next area. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm working on my last area vertically. So we did the 5, the 3, and now 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I just completed my 3 areas horizontally. Now I am coming down to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to color this one. Okay friends, so I just completed my 100 squares with all the 9 areas on the paper. Before we get to the writing part, let's compare the 100 square with the beads and the squares. So starting with our first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a square of 5 right here. Our next one is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have a square of 3, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, square of 2. I am going to place them right next to these so that you guys can see them properly. There we go. Let me move this slightly. Okay, so now let's get to our bead bars and compare our areas. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will need 3 bars of 3 5 times. 3 1 time, 3 2 times, 3 3 times, 3 4 times, 3 5 times, and 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 bars of 2 5 times. 2 1 time, 2 2 times, 2 taken 3 times, 2 taken 4 times, 2 taken 5 times. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 taken 1 time, 5 taken 2 times, 5 taken 3 times. Okay, then we have 1 2 1 2 3. 2 taken 1 time, 2 taken 2 times, 2 taken 3 times. And then we have 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. 5 taken 1 time, 5 taken 2 times. 1 2 3 1 2. 3 taken 1 time, 3 taken 2 times. So that is exactly equal to our 100 square. Let's see what we have on our paper. 1 2 3 4 5 1. Sorry, I'm coming closer to you. 1 2 3 4 5. Can I write this as 5 times 5? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3. Can I write this as 5 times 3? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2. 5 times 2. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5. 3 times 5. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. This is square of 3. So 3 times 3. 1 2 3. 1 2. 3 times 2. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. 2 times 5. 1 2 1 2 3. 2 times 3, and square of 2 is 2 times 2. So let's begin with our writing our equation. We have, I will start with the parenthesis or bracket, 5 times 5 5 times 5 plus 5 times 3 plus 5 times 2. We all know 5 times 5 is 25 plus 5 times 3 is 15 plus 5 times 2 is 10 equals to 25 plus 15 is 40 plus 10, 50. Let's get to our next one. 3 times 5 plus 3 times 3 plus 3 times 2. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 3 threes are 9 plus 3 times 2 is 6. 15 plus 9 plus 6 is equal to 30. Okay, last one. 2 times 5 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 times 2. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 times 2 is 4 equals to 20. Let's add 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 is 10 and we get 100. Going back to our binomial, we are now going to start reducing our terms. So from our binomial, we remember or we can recall that the square of 5 is 5 times 5, which is 25, can also be written as 5 square. We'll start from this. 5 square plus 5 times 3 and 3 times 5. We know that if we replace or change the placement of our multiplicand and multiplier, it does not affect the product. So 5 times 3 is 15 and so is 3 times 5. So 2, 3 times 5 plus 5 times 2 and 2 times 5 is the same, 10 in both. So 2, 5 times 2 plus 3 times 3 can also be written as 3 square plus 3 times 2 and 2 times 3 is the same. So we can write 2 times 3 plus 2 square. 2 square. This, and then we know that 100 can be written as 10 square. So this completes our lesson for square of a trinomial. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, my friends, and I will see you next time with a new lesson. Till then, happy learning. Bye.